Welcome to another insightful episode where we navigate the intriguing realm of data center maintenance and reliability. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we'll be learning from an industry expert, George Parada, the Global Asset Management Manager at Facebook. Stay tuned as we explore his journey into the field, tips on managing data center cooling and redundancy, and lessons on developing talent in the tech world. Get ready for some maintenance wisdom. George Parada joined me to share his journey and best practices in keeping some of the world's most critical facilities up and running. His journey into the field of maintenance and reliability began after graduating with a degree in mechanical engineering. He took on a role at a global food and beverage company, overseeing production. After dealing with frequent equipment breakdowns, he took charge of the maintenance department despite having no prior experience in that area. His passion for improving processes and implementing predictive and condition-based inspections greatly improved the reliability of their equipment. George's career progressed as he led the maintenance reliability team across 22 global locations, and later establishing a reliability program at Constellation Brands. His efforts there led to the implementation of a CMMS, transforming their maintenance operations. Eventually, George moved to Facebook, where he now manages a spare parts optimization program and contributes to the company's asset management strategies. On the topic of managing data center cooling and redundancy, George emphasizes that cooling systems are among the most critical assets in data centers. Ensuring these systems are reliable and safe is crucial, as they directly affect the optimal performance of servers and racks. Facebook, like other tech giants, invests significantly in understanding equipment failure modes and enhancing their maintenance strategies through condition-based maintenance and exploring Internet of Things solutions. Regarding the differences in maintenance and reliability across industries, George points out that the core principles are quite similar. Whether you're in a food and beverage plant or a high-tech data center, the key difference lies in the maturity of reliability programs, with industries like chemical, oil, and gas having developed sophisticated practices over decades. Discussing common assets within a data center, George notes that these facilities typically house a range of critical infrastructure components, including electrical substations, transformers, switchboards, and cooling systems, all essential for maintaining the functionality of compute and storage equipment. About 4 years ago, when Facebook had only 4 to 5 data centers, their rapid expansion to over 20 centers globally necessitated robust maintenance programs to ensure safety, reliability, and efficiency. The importance of developing talent is another area George emphasizes. As the tech demands of data centers increase, Facebook focuses on individual and team development, including enrolling their team in a 12-week certified reliability leader training course. George believes in empowering employees to take ownership of their development while providing the necessary support and removing barriers. Finally, the most important lesson George has learned through his career is that reliability is a journey. It's about continuous improvement and being comfortable with implementing an 80% solution when necessary, rather than waiting for perfection. This approach allows for rapid progress and subsequent enhancements. That wraps up our deep dive into the maintenance and reliability of data centers with insights from an industry expert. Remember, whether it's cooling systems, redundancy levels, or talent development, the goal is to maintain safe, efficient, and reliable operations that support the growth and success of the business. Thank you for joining us in this insightful journey into the world of data center maintenance and reliability. We've learned from industry expert George Parada about the importance of cooling systems, redundancy, and talent development in maintaining safe and efficient operations. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and wisdom. For more information about our services, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, continuous improvement is the key to reliability. See you in our next video.